Welcome to the Department of Conservative Dentistry and Endodontics at SGT University, Gurugram, where clinical excellence is not an expectation but a reality.
The Department of Conservative Dentistry and Endodontics at SGT University, Gurgaon stands as a testament to what modern dental education and clinical practice can achieve when guided by the right vision.
Our postgraduates work under magnification via 6 surgical microscopes and loupes.
For complex and advanced procedures, the department is equipped with 6 surgical microscopes.
We here at SGT University perform procedures under magnification, which helps us perform these procedures very precisely and accurately.
This is a department built not just to treat, but to train, to lead, and to set standards. Welcome to the Department of Conservative Dentistry and Endodontics at SGT University, Gurgaon, where clinical excellence is not an aspiration, it's an expectation.